This is a 6 feet heavy duty, sturdy sliding barn door. And this is a hardware kit that is smoothly and quietly and is also easy to install. It can fit a 36 inches wide door panel and also features nylon wheels that provide quiet and smooth operation. What we like the most about this is how smoothly and silently the door slides. So it's like silk and it operates without catching any noise. And the nylon material combined with the solid steel roller hangers and the industrial flat tracks is designed for durability and for repeated use. This hardware kit includes a 6 feet rail in sections, the rail spacers, two roller hangers with nylon wheels, two door stoppers, two anti-jump pads to prevent the door from falling, and one floor guide and one hex wrench. So just be aware that obviously the door is not included if this is just the kit, and this will just provide that function of barn door to the door that you're planning on installing in your house. This in this case it was installed as the door of the bathroom, but it could be as an office door or any other division you want to put it. It will look fantastic in any place that you decide to put it, as a pantry door as well. So many possibilities and a very easy and affordable option, definitely to upgrade and elevate your space.